How to see the recent activities on Opensea. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to see the recent activities on Opensea easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Opensea, and now this is the home page. As you can see, now if you want to check the recent activities on this website, just go here to stats and go to activity. Wait a few seconds and this is the page. Now this is the recent activity on Opensea. As you can see, 1 minute ago, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. It's all recent activities. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.